Hi everybody and welcome to the video, but we're not talking about the B20 or the M1 today. We're going to be talking about another one.
Yes, we are. And I need to buy it. We're going to unbox an M12.
Today.
You can't see it, but it's on the other side. It says Model M12. Windgoo also sent me this one.
Yeah.
Pick.
That's the M1. And this is the M12. This is the M12.
I'm going to make some videos on this. I'm at Quinn's Amazing Videos. Typing down YouTube. I've only made like 2 at the moment. It's a Minecraft one and a Fortnite one. The Fortnite one, it's a bit glitchy, I think.
We're not here to talk about Minecraft though, are we? We're here to talk about the M12.
Yeah.
The unboxing of the M12. So, right, are you ready?
I'm just going to put the scoop away.
That's right. Here we go. So this is the M12 unboxing. I've had it for a couple of weeks. It got sent here by Windgoo, and yeah. So
I'm gonna put this away.
I wanted to get it out. As I say, the B20 was my main bike, but I have changed things now, so I'm not going to be using it as much. And I need fully electric scooter. Yeah, it's going to be a bit better when we go to school and do bits and bobs. So
I go to school on my scooter.
what have we got? Stable speed, power recycle, EABS, safe. Energy saving, this is what it's saying. So here we go.
Okay.
Well, what we've got here? A big light. Right, oh, hello. Okay, so it's got a quick. Yeah. Put that onto there.
Yeah. It's not actually electric.
No.
On the boat, it turns the wet switch.
Right.
And you can put it
It
out.
is big.
This is
Ooh.
a wet switch.
Here we go.
Charger.
This is
I didn't get a
the beast.
Luckily I didn't get a paper.
Ugh.
Felix, I found another electric chair.
Stand there.
Here's another electric chair thing.
So we've got some Allen key and some bolts.
It's another one
Charge pack.
And charging.
So
Oh, that's good electric chair charger.
what's that clip for?
Did they know? Whoa! Did they know they come?
So
No, it is.
pretty much how it
it's a
came.
normal chair.
This bit's like separate. Came
And
loose
there's a light.
like that.
Light.
There's a light, yeah, and then we're going to have to bolt those 2 bits in there. It's got a quick release system here.
So you can bend it down and put it in a car.
Yeah, that's right.
We're
Oh, that's
going
what that
on
does.
holiday soon. We're going on holiday tomorrow, and I think we're going to bring. Are you going to bring that down?
Yeah.
Because we can.
Well, that's really good actually.
Yeah, it can like attach that. I
Yeah.
did not know that.
No, so it's got like a little clip here. I wondered what that's for. And there's a clip on the back here of the bike, which I'll show you close up, and that makes a handle system there. Right. Can I have the instructions, please, sir? Right.
Let's move the box out.
We've got
We're
4
learning
screws.
about steadies and flip.
Ah, it's got 4 screws. It's got 2 screws in the front.
chair.
2 screws in the back.
Let's not even look. I need to see Danny. Dad, I'm going to be the back one. Electric chauffeur electric.
Yeah, so I had the
Yeah, so this is basically mine.
I had the
So I'm
B20.
going to go get the other one, okay?
Yeah, okay. That the
This is
B20 was my main transport when I was going around.
This is my Uno.
And
that my.
I had to go about 2 miles on it every day to go to like MOT stations and things. But now I've found I've changed career actually, and I'm not doing that anymore. So and I'm not going to need it, but I do need something to, you know, I don't need, but I wanted something to take the kids to school and stuff, and you know, keep up with the kids. So therefore, luckily Windgoo sent me out one of these, and I thought this is exactly what I need. So let's have a look. So here's the M12 up close. We've got the rear disc brake on the back there, and obviously we've got the power through the front by the looks of things. The red cable is the brake cable, and the black one's the power. Up here we've got the brake on the side here, and then we're going to press. It says do a long hold. There we go. I don't know if you can see that. But we've got speed on it, we've got battery power, and we've got how far we've gone. So it's pretty cool. I don't know what the speed is going to be on this, but we'll have a look, we'll set it up and we'll see how we go. Oh, that's the throttle, I didn't even realise that. It makes it go forward.
Faster?
Yeah, it makes it go forward. Yeah, they're a Chinese-based company. Feels really, it's quite sturdy. Oh, that's the bell. That's quite cool. It's built right in.
No. Okay, it's good.
Maybe I've got to push.
I forgot it's there. Felix, you might want to go another way.
Yeah. Looks pretty nippy. Whoa! Brake's quite good.
How did you use the brake when you thought it was a motor?
Huh? Oh, because I've got a handle up here. Look, I've got a handle.
That's why so don't step on it.
So we've got a speedo on it, kilometres an hour.
Hey, how you too far? I can catch up. I can't.
Whoa!
He's too fast.
Yeah, it's quite good actually.
Yeah, it's really good.
I'm going to go out and do a road test on it and see how fast we go.
Subscribe at the end of the video and like it. Shall we be watching? We're going to watch. Shall we with the camera?
Yeah, you're alright. Right.
Like I told you, you put your butt here and you give it a big push. Oh, just like
Oh, there we go. Whoa, whoa.
Electric Daddy, how fast did I go?
How fast did I go? How fast do you think I went, guys? In kilometres an hour? Not miles.
Kilometers.
Yeah. How fast? Give us a number. 50. Didn't go 50 kilometres and didn't go 200, but it did go 25 kilometres an hour, which is probably around 15, 16 miles per hour. It felt real stable actually as well. It did feel really stable. It got to speed quite quick as well. Really did get to speed quite fast. And the brakes, they are like I could feel like you have to. When you apply the brake, if you put it on too hard, it stops. It does really stop. So you have to just feather it a little bit, and then it comes down to a good speed. So
like when you want to go medium, you just like hold the brakes a bit.
Yeah. So
you'll go like
that's his. Has it got a brake? Oh look, it's got a brake light on the back as well. Look, see that?
Yeah.
Flashing. Like, what do you want to do? You want to hold on to that bit? Put your what about you put your hands? That's it. There. Right, ready? I'm just going to go out here. We got about 20 miles an hour on that with the pair of us. Did you feel safe?
Yeah, I felt really safe.
Yeah, we go on the Windgoo together anyway.
The brake was really close to the curve, but it's really good. Bella!
Oh, Bella! This is it. As you say, this is the display that we have in here. It displays around. We've got the bell. Show them where the bell is, Quinn. That's it. Got a bell.
You have to really pull it, don't you?
Yeah, it's very good bell though.
Yeah.
And then if you pull that brake for me, Quinn. There you go. You got the brake light that comes on the back there. It pulses.
Why does one brake?
And then this is obviously where the power wheel comes from. All the power comes from there. What are you doing?
The wheels look really cool, don't they?
They do look really cool, yeah.
And look at this.
Go that way.
And there's even like indicators. Indicator lights.
Is there? Where?
Like the orange things.
Oh yeah. Do they work?
I don't know. How did you get the indicators on?
Look at this. We've got some. There's sort of like hazardy looking lights on the back. We haven't quite worked out what they do yet. So we've worked out how to turn the lights on. Yeah.
It doesn't flash.
If you press the on power button, you've got. Yeah.
And it turns the back.
The front and rear lights come on, yeah?
No stuck work. Anyway,
that's quite good, isn't it?
It's really cool. It's gonna find the indicators, isn't it?
Yeah, I didn't even know it had like a hazard lights on it. So I mean, it is prepared well for the streets. So like, it gives you full knowledge.
They go down further, do they?
No.
Look, did you like that? They go down.
Got disc rear brakes. That's impressive. I think it's really good.
Yeah.
I think it's stable. I think it looks sleek. I think it's best looking road scooter I've seen. The Speed 1 has a maximum speed of 6 kilometres an hour, and I think they've obviously put that on there. So if you're walking around town, that's when your hazard lights come on. So you're obviously going through a busy high street or something. We've just got it on number 1. So this is like walking speed. Yeah, which is quite cool. So it's like walking speed. So then I put it on level 2. To be fair, level 2 seems a bit faster than level 3, but I'll have a look out on the road.
Mum, Daddy literally just left on his scooter. Do you see it?
Are you coming for me?
No, doing a video on it. Level 2 is maximum speed of 15 kilometers an hour, and then level 3 is the full 25 kilometers an hour. And that's quite cool. So I'll press and hold the button for 3 seconds. Turn that off there. And what we'll do is we'll push that button, fold that down. We've got the clip here and the clip here. Clips together like that. One-handed, left-handed, 30.5 kilos. I mean, I don't know, it doesn't even feel like 13.5 kilos to be fair. But yeah, this is it. This is the Windgoo M12. This is a proper piece of kit. So there we go, guys. If you like the video, please do like and subscribe. I'll be doing a load more on this one. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.